Today I'll be sharing two important things about succulent. The first one is watering and the second one is how to clean it. All I have right now is some of my succulents, some water, one brush and a piece of cloth. Using this stick, I'm going to check if this one needs watering or not. So this one looks completely dry. All we need to do is wait till it becomes completely dry between each watering and then water completely till it drains out. Almost like this. Still not draining out. Coming to the second point, how to clean them. So I use a brush, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe a million for us.